Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are usual on our channel, hello. And if you are new, welcome. Right now, subscribe so you can be part of the family. And on today's video, we're going to do something crazy. We're going to watch the most haunted
movie on Netflix.
movie about a clown who lives in a sewer and goes by the name of Pennywise. And every 27 years, he comes out of the sewer and preys on the neighborhood children. It's super scary. I personally have never seen the movie.
On
On
Netflix.
the big screen right now.
I got it right now. Exercise. Got Netflix right here.
Currently 3 a.m. and they said when you watch this movie all the way through, something scary happens. Now I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're gonna find out because I'm brave. I know Nicole behind the camera right now is really brave. But 3 a.m. is the demon hour. It's the most demonic hour of the day. So this is gonna be scary, guys. But I need you guys to help out right now and like this video. If you don't like the video right now, Pennywise, the haunted clown, will come to your house and eat you when you're sleeping. Anything about it or Pennywise?
It was wicked. I know what to do. And then it going to on Netflix, guys. That's at 3 a.m. Okay, guys, look at that. That's Pennywise there.
Is there anything last time we left? Amazing comedy movie all at once?
Okay,
What else?
we have ice.
Beer.
Pennywise, but Pennywise, the clown.
Advised, you guys. Be advised. There's a part 2 to this too, right?
Yeah, I think so. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, I'm excited, but I'm also kind of scared.
I know.
Oh, come on. Okay, there you go, guys. I just wait. Hey. Oh, come on, man. Turn on. Okay, there. Okay, there.
Scared. I kind of regret this now, you guys. The music is freaking me out already. Why are you talking about the kid already? Yeah.
Who is that kid?
Georgie.
That's Georgie.
How do you know who Georgie is?
I don't know. I'm too scared to watch this movie.
Oh my god. This is gonna be fun. You're gonna scare. Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back. Yeah.
Who is that kid?
Georgie.
That's Georgie.
How do you know who Georgie is? Oh my god. This is. Oh my god. This is not gonna be fun. You're gonna be scared. Oh no. He's gonna over Georgie. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the part that he's falling in the floor.
There has to be a sewer right there, right?
Yeah, soon.
Oh my god, that's where Pennywise lives.
This is where all like the meat. I haven't seen everything that's going, but I know like the gist. The volcano over there. The boat fell in the sewer.
Oh my god, I hope he doesn't go down there.
You guys.
I saw it come on. Oh my god. Why would he keep talking to him?
I don't know.
Why? Literally, he's so creepy. Obviously, you shouldn't talk to him. Oh my god.
Look at him, he's creepy, dude. That's so
His
creepy.
eyes are like glowing.
Imagine.
Oh my god. No. No.
want to let go of him right now. How come we never seen this?
I don't know. So creepy.
Info 2.
He's drooling.
That's comforting, and this is our snacks right now.
Our Chex Mix and ice cream and everything.
Oh my goodness, he hit him with the bat right now.
Oh my
Snacks right now.
Our Chex Mix and ice cream and everything.
Oh my goodness, he hit him? He hit him with the bat right now.
Oh my god.
We finally made it towards the end of the movie. And I literally suggest do not watch this at 3 a.m.
So much. So
I
much.
told you for the bill.
I think honestly that's one of the scariest movies I've ever seen. Right now the kids are all in a circle, traumatized, talking about the epic fight they had with Pennywise.
I'm still traumatized.
Dude, that was freaky.
I don't know how I'm gonna be able to go to sleep.
That is so scary.
And if I do go to sleep, I'm
Wait,
probably
now,
gonna have
wait, is that George?
nightmares.
Dude, it's Georgie. The broken arm of Pennywise.
Evil.
No.
The broken Pennywise.
Is he gonna kiss her?
Is he?
Is he? Oh! Kissed her!
Nightmares.
Well, she's really powerful and evil. Wait, is he gonna kiss? That is so scary. What about the epic fight they had with Pennywise?
I'm still traumatized.
Dude, that was freaky.
I don't know how I'm gonna go to sleep.
That is so scary.
And if I do go to sleep, I'm probably gonna have freaking nightmares.
Well, she's really powerful and evil. Wait, is he gonna kiss? That is so scary.
And if I do go to sleep, I'm probably gonna have freaking nightmares.
Dude, that was freaky.
I don't know how I'm gonna go to sleep.
That is so scary.
And if I do go to sleep, I'm probably gonna have freaking nightmares.
Well, she's really powerful and evil. Wait, is he gonna kiss her? That is so scary.
And if I do go to sleep, I'm probably gonna have freaking nightmares.
To ever see.
It's right now the time. Yeah, the Georgie in the fantastic building. Yeah. Right now. Bill, what are you doing? Wait. What are you doing? That's your little brother, Bill. Joe.
My god!
Georgie shot the Bill. Oh my god.
Is he? Oh! Freaky.
I don't know how I'm gonna do it.
Ty's talking about the epic fight they had with Pennywise.
Oh my god.
I'm still traumatized.
Dude, that was freaky.
I don't know how I'm gonna be able to go to sleep.
That is so
Oh my god.
scary.
Georgie turned Pennywise.
If I do go to sleep, I'm probably gonna have freaking nightmares.
Well, she's really powerful.
That's not Georgie, that's the Pennywise.
Wait, is he gonna kiss her? Is he? Oh! Kissed her! Finally, something happy with this movie. We're telling you guys, this movie is freaking scary as it is.
Finally, something positive.
Oh, movie.
Something positive.
We're telling you guys, this movie is freaking scary as it is.
Finally, something positive.
Oh, and you know what? There's actually a part 2 to it. I think it's called Chapter 2 because every 27 years, Pennywise comes out of the sewer. So it makes sense because the kids get older in the next movie. So yeah, it does make
That does
sense.
make sense.
You guys,
No, Pennywise is died.
Pennywise is the most evil clown.
So evil.
That was
Oh my god.
creepy.
I'm just glad it's
Pennywise is died. Pennywise is gone.
You guys, don't never ever.
Don't never ever again.
Makes sense because the kids get older in the next movie.
Wait.
So yeah, it does make
That does
sense.
make sense.
Wait. Wait, what are you better doing? Guys, what are you better doing?
Pennywise is the most evil clown.
Africa, wait,
That was
is that Georgie's
creepy.
record? Look, it's Georgie's record.
You guys, don't never ever. Pennywise is the most
Look,
evil
Georgie's
clown.
So evil.
That was creepy.
Georgie's crying.
You guys, don't never ever.
Be positive.
Oh, and you know what? There's actually a part 2 to it. I think it's called Chapter 2 because every 27 years, Pennywise comes out of the sewer. So it makes sense because the kids get older in the next movie. So yeah, it does make
That
sense.
does make sense.
You guys, Pennywise is the most evil creature as it is.
Finally, something positive.
Oh, and you know what? There's actually a part telling you guys go traumatize.
So how I'm gonna go.
Well, he's really powerful and evil. Wait, is he gonna kiss her? Is he? Oh, he kissed. Finally, something happy with this movie. We're telling you guys. Scary as it is.
Finally, something positive.
Oh, and you know what? There's actually a part 2 to it. I think it's called Chapter 2 because every 27 years, Pennywise comes out of the sewer. So it makes sense because the kids get older in the next movie. So yeah, it does make
That
sense.
does make sense.
You guys, Pennywise is the most evil clown.
So evil.
That was creepy.
I'm just glad it's almost over.
You guys, don't never ever. Did somebody just knock on the door right now?
Was that from the movie?
No.
No, it's ended. It's ended.
Somebody literally
No,
just
no, no,
knocked on the door right now. You guys, literally.
I get it.
It just ended right now, and somebody knocked on the door. Get behind me! I didn't know you were real! Hey. Get back, man! Get back! Hey! Get back, man! Get back, dude! Hey guys, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click that thumbs up button. It really does help push the video out there. Also, comment and share this video. And of course, subscribe. Thank you guys.